Yeah.
DownloadMixtapes.org.
It's Chris Webby. Dan Molekta in the motherfucking building. You know, Connecticut. Webster's Lab, bitch. Let's go.
DJ
Yeah, you now have entered Webby's world. Welcome to my habitat. Living like a Jason Statham movie, always action-packed. Killing competitors, cause seeing me lose a battle rap just don't happen these days like seeing a pterodactyl hatch. So give me beats and I'll be running to the lab with that. Going with a pen and a pencil, come out with a bag of crack. Show up with a bunch of goons, you ain't never imagine that. Roll so fucking deep, we know where to get Krabby Patties at. Deeper than the ocean floor, you 571. Larry the Cable Guy, cause you know I'm about to get her done. Pushing all your buttons, you would think I had an extra thumb. Check a fit the moonshine, chase it with some Kettle One. Spit nice with raps to rip mics. Carry my whole state on my shoulders until my disc slip twice. I'll keep striving for the title till I win, right? This is what happens when you feed Gizmo after midnight. A fucking gremlin, ain't nobody stopping that. Cleats on my feet and I'ma play them like a soccer match. Slaughter all these copycats, you can never follow that. I'm crazy, do you roger that?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, my weenie in your hiney hole. Heidi ho, neighbor as I like to troll. Psycho flow, I can go from high to low, low to high, man, I don't know. Too hot to touch, too cold to hold. And right now I'm at 5 below. On the surface, I'm ice berserk, and I'm like, give me a perk and a bite. With a verse, I write each word precise, verbally nice. Sharp as a surgical knife, for certain it's curtains. I'm the best you've heard in your life. Bourbon and Sprite, cause in the verbs we like the herb every night. Curling the mic, just warming up, so quit your queefing, it's girly. I'm eating a 30 G's, it's early, walking all weekend like Bernie. I used to be weak and nerdy, now I'm diesel like the type of fuel. Highway to